Now you say you were wrong for ever leaving me alone. Oh, you're sorry, you're lonesome, and you're scared.
So scared.
And you say you'd be happy if you could just come back home. Well, here's a quarter. Call someone who cares. The different ways that men approach the procreation. You know, survival and procreation. That's what we do and evolve.
Yeah.
Survive, procreate, and evolve. Now, this other guy is so obsessed. He's like, for 40 years, he's got the pictures of her on the wall, and he's like completely obsessed for 40 years until finally he croaks, and everybody's going, he stopped loving her today. They placed a wreath upon his door. In the different ways. The one guy, the first guy, you know. I'm going to change the words when I record it for radio, you know. It's destined for radio fame with us.
Yeah.
But I'm changing it to here's a quarter. No, I'm changing it from here's a quarter to here's my smartphone. Call someone who cares. Okay, we sent the limo for you because we got to take a ride out the country road out to the cornfield of dreams, where the old artists come out and get us to do renditions of their songs. It's very good.
Yes.
And so it'll be pulling up just outside the door to your mind in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just slide on the back there. Everything's in there. Everybody you ever wanted in there, and it's just perfect. It's just perfect.
Just perfect.
I'm just going to put the old Git box on here, and we'll take a ride.
Tennessee Waltz.
Oh, we're going back to the 50s.
Yeah.
Time travel, too, in this limo, right? All kinds of different traveling because it relates to evolution, right? You're moving.
Yeah.
We're all moving, man.
Yeah.
We're all evolving. We're going to the heavenly climes.
Yeah.
I wrote this song up in Port St. John back in the 40s, 30s. Hey, you know who turned 100 today?
Who?
Your grandfather,
Your dad?
Teddy Boy.
Oh, Teddy boy.
I was going to call my sister. Yeah. Well, he was about 90 when he had me, so. Okay, we got to take a ride.
Only 10 years old.
We got to take a ride.
No. We're Tennessee waltzing.
Oh, that's right. He's putting on the radio. We're going back to the 1950s. Patty Page or Patsy Cline? Both of them.
Both.
You're Patty Page and I'm Patsy Cline.
No.
Yes, because I'm more
Patsy
country than you are.
Okay.
You're like more straight.
All right.
Okay.
I am pretty straight.
And I wrote this song up in Port St. John. I'll just start lying again here. Because I was at this dance. And we went out at the break.
Yeah.
And there was three fights going on down the parking lot in mud. It gets real gumbo up there.
Yeah.
And my buddy says, Joe, take a look at that middle fight. And I'm looking down there, and he goes, it's girls. Yeah, and I guess that was, I don't know how that relates to losing, but this is what happened somehow.
That's what you think about.
Maybe it could be my friend there. That's what he did to distract me, and then he went and got the girl.
Yeah.
Took her away from me. I was waltzing with my darling to Tennessee Waltz, oh, and an old friend I happened to see. I introduced to my darling while they were waltzing. My friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night Tennessee waltz, and only you know just how much I have loved. Oh yes, I lost my little darling. That day we're playing that beautiful Tennessee waltz.
That beautiful Tennessee waltz.
I remember that night in the Tennessee waltz, and only you know just how much I have loved. Oh yes, I lost my little darling. That day we're playing that beautiful Tennessee waltz. Oh, that beautiful Tennessee waltz. That beautiful Tennessee waltz. Lost my little darling. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, we got to ride now, right?
Yes.
We
now
gotta
we'll ride.
get going out the cornfield. What is this? Oh yeah, this is what I'm supposed to say. In between our unbelievable renditions of classics and originals destined for radio fame, we disclose the science on the meaning of life and the secret to no longer secret to happiness, Ma.
There you go.
Your brain is trying to evolve, cooperate with it. That's the secret to happiness.
There you go.
Look at the last show we did. We said everything almost, didn't we?
We sure did.
No, we didn't talk about the maintenance
We
areas.
said
We
it
didn't
all.
talk about the doors.
We said it
Door
all.
number 1, purpose and meaning. Door number 2, order and security. And door number 3, connection to nature. Get your paleo glasses on. You're the same person you were 35,000 years ago in the bush. So, sort of act like it. Not all the way, you know.
Yeah.
Don't go wacko.
Just try to be a reasonable person.
Okay, we got to ride. $48 last night, county fair.
Take a ride.
I'll take a ride. Gonna take a ride. I pass a honky tonk,
Pass the honky tonk.
past the county line,
Pass the county line.
through the amber waves of grain,
Through those waves of grain.
and past the dairy cow,
With their big brown eyes.
to the cornfield of green.
Cornfield of dreams.
Only Molly can see these apparitions.
Cornfield of dreams. Cornfield
Who's
of
coming out tonight, Mom?
It's Johnny Cash. And this time he's singing the one you want. He's singing Big River. And then Hank Snow's coming and he's gonna sing Moving On.
Whoa, getting nervous. Will I taught the weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. Showed the cloud how to cover of a clear blue sky. Oh man, you know the tears I cried, but that woman gonna flood you, big river, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die.
I'm gonna sit right here until I die.
Well, I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota. Tore me up every time I heard that drawl. I heard the southern drawl. Oh, you took my dream back downstream, cavorting in Davenport. I never followed you, big river, when you called.
Followed you, Big River, when you call.
Well, don't you batten down my Baton Rouge, River Queen, rolling on. Take that woman on down to New Orleans, down to New Orleans. Oh, go on, I've had enough. dump my blues way down in the Gulf. I said that she loves you, Big River, more than me.
She loves you, Big River, more than me.
It is the biggie wheel moving down the track. I mean, true loving dad ain't coming back, and I'm moving on. I won't be long.
I won't be long.
You up a line too high, my little old sky, and I'm moving on. I forgot to say hello. I lost my stash. Now I'm Hank Snow and the Singing Rangers. Yes, sir, Bob. 500 weeks on the number one. 1953. Yeah.
You gonna sing the song?
Yeah, right now. Oh, Mr. Fireman, won't you please listen to me? 'Cause I got a pretty mama in Tennessee. Keep moving me on.
Keep rolling on.
They keep rolling on.
Keep rolling on.
Oh, keep a shoving the coal, keep riding the road, and keep moving on. I did the boo boo boo, ba ba boo, ba boo, ba ba boo, ba boo boo, ba ba boo, boo boo. I think one day, baby, when you had your play, you're gonna want your daddy, but your daddy gonna say, keep moving on.
Keep moving on.
You stayed away too long.
Way too long.
You had to laugh on me and I set you free and I'm moving on. You're gonna ease my mind, put me there on time and I'm moving on. We gotta do the other guy. Ba 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 boo boo. I take the boo boo boo. Boo boo boo. Ba ba bee open, ba bee open, ba ba boo. Ba bee bee boo, ba ba bee open, ba bee I'm moving on. Ba ba bee ba bee open. If heartache brought faith in love's crazy game, I'd be a legend in my time. Okay, never mind. What do you got? Oh, we're
Station.
at the.
We gotta get to the station.
Oh, we gotta get because the girlie's toast.
Yeah, get out of the cornfield into the limo and get on that old country road, that old county line road.
Cause all the girlies told,
All the girly toes
hanging out the window.
hanging out of the window.
And somebody sees a great big tower, it's 50,000 watts.
GHRT.
Yep. Old station GHRT.
GHRT.
There for you and me.
Is it for you and me?
Brought to you by Alice's Restaurant and General Store. Anything you want down at Alice's Restaurant. Alice's Restaurant. We're going to go on the old station, go up to the front desk, and we're going to see Betty Page in her cigarette girl uniform. She give you your special tea. The ayahuasca. Send you down the stairs here, the psychedelic prairie home companion. It's really the really big old time radio medicine show, 3 Chords and the Truth, starring Molly Griffin and her old dog Doo.
And the Reverend Dr. Joey G2 coming to you live from Station GHRT in the virtual haystack in your mind. For the show starts in 5 minutes. We don't spin the tunes on the turntable, we spin them on our souls. So kick back, chill and relax to the mellow sounds of the singing DJs.
Spin 'em on our soul.
Spin 'em on our soul.
Sometimes spin on our
Spin 'em on our
soul. Okay, I don't want to forget this because I got to name it. We got to name this something, but I had a funny experience. I thought I could pass it on to everybody.
Yeah.
If you're ever like wrought up in terrible anguish about getting a puzzle solved, you usually call them problems, right? When they cause you a lot of anguish, they're problems. Or maybe it's you're trying to resolve some conflict,
Yeah.
and you're in heavy anguish, and
Yeah.
you just can't hardly take any more of the anguish and the angst.
Yeah.
Well, take a little break.
Mm-hmm.
And pop out and take a bird's eye view down at yourself
Mm-hmm.
and see the cartoon that you are. Think about your DNA and evolution and how it's going on for
Yeah.
millennia, and
Yeah.
you're going absolutely wacky over what?
It is a nice thing to do every once in a while.
Yes, it is, and that's called objectivity.
Mhm.
And you can call this show Bird's Eye View.
Bird's eye view.
Right?
There you go.
Yeah.
You can relax about that.
That's an important thing. Okay. We got the muse. We got the amuse. We got the music. Like what you ain't never heard. So get in the limo. You're already in. Forget about it. That was just something,
Yeah. You want to sing a song?
You want to be silent? They don't want that, Ma. You see them on there. They just keep talking. Doesn't matter what they say.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Well, wait. What do you got for us?
Lord, I hope this day is good.
Oh, yeah. I always need that. Listen. Just 1 sec, okay? Just get a little better.
I'll just play mine louder.
Yeah, Don Williams. Why did I say that? Because Don Williams made the song famous. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Lord, have you forgotten me? Lord, I've been praying to you faithfully. Lord, I ain't saying I'm a righteous man, but Lord, I hope you understand. I don't need fortune and I don't need fame. Send down the thunder, Lord, and send down the rain. But when you're planning what the day will be, just plan a good day for me. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good.
Nope.
I said, oh Lord, I hope this day is good. I thought you were gonna. I felt like you should sing a verse.
I know.
Mm.
I should have, but I
You should.
froze.
You froze.
Yeah.
She froze.
It's happening a lot lately.
We got the muse. We got the amuse. We got ick on the muse.
Uh-huh.
That actually means with.
Oh.
So
So
but
me ick you. I'm
but
ick you.
muse means like inspirational, right? But it can be without music. It's not always music.
Mhm.
Music is big.
Yeah.
Is that important?
Could be.
What's this? Jeb Stewart Anderson, Steve Dukes, and Mark Hall wrote this song, but Tim McGraw took it to the world,
He took it to the world.
and we got to practice it. All right, you want to try a few bars of it?
Sure.
See what happens.
Sure.
Don't try to copy Tim McGraw
Okay.
because this is me.
I'll just go with whatever you're doing.
Okay. Okay. And I think maybe we try it in maybe a G. What do you think?
That sounds about right.
Yeah, whatever. I like to try and do it funnier than Tim. It's also about the guys in procreation, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I've been producing on it too, Mal, and this is how it goes. No, just wait a minute. First I do that babio, and then I go like this. I go, I like it, love it, want some more of it. Tried so hard, yeah, can't rise above it. Don't know what to do about that little girl's loving, but I like it, love it, want some more of it. You're going a bit fast.
Yeah, slow fast.
I'll see if I can slow it down. I spent $48 last night at the county fair. I throw up my shoulder, but I wonder that teddy bear. She's got me saying, sugar baby, honey, darling, and dear. Oh, I ain't seen the Braves play a game all year. Gonna get fired if I don't get some sleep. I'm lost, but it's say I'm getting in the deep. 'Cause I like it, I love it, want some more of it. Tried so hard, oh, I can't rise above it. Don't know what to do about that little gal I love it, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Tried so hard, oh, I can't rise above it. Don't know what to do about that little gal I love it, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
The next one?
I said my mama tried to teach me some courtesy. Never sank in until that girl got a hold of me. She got me saying, no. Okay, be quiet. Oh, I know. She got me holding umbrellas and opening up doors. Oh, I'm taking out my trash and I'm sweeping my floor. Crossing my fingers, counting every kiss, praying that it keeps going on like this. Oh, I like it, I love it, want some more of it. Tried so hard, oh, I can't rise above it. Don't know what to do about that little gal, I love it, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I gotta wash my truck.
Yeah, there you go.
And dress up, pick her up to watch TV. She moves a little close, you're on the soap. Can't get enough of me, because I like it, I love it, want some more of it. Tried so hard, oh, I can't rise above it. Don't know what to do about that little gal loving, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Okay, just watch this now. Okay, now I finish it off. Like it, I love it, want some more of it. Tried so hard, yeah, I can't rise above it. Don't know what to do about that little gal loving, 'cause I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. You started going too fast. It was that same old thing. You got to leave me alone and let me get in the groove. Well, it's okay. We got it out. At least we got it practiced.
Yeah. First practice.
I like it.
Not too
I
bad.
love it. I want some more of it. I swear we could do it funnier than he does.
Funny looking.
We are being what? Oh no, I'm not talking about that. Get that out of there, you guys. Take it out of here. You're making me mad. Bring it in front of my face. I don't even want to know about that because I won't sing right.
That was Morning Joe.
I'll get filled up with adrenaline. I'll go wacky. I'll have to sing. I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. On Blueberry Hill, where I found you. Oh, the moon stood still on Blueberry Hill. I ain't lingered until my dreams came true. Okay, what are we supposed to be doing?
The wind and the willow play.
Oh, you want to sing the whole song?
No, it's okay. I've got one of these days, or I've got two pina coladas. Which one do you want?
Now that we know our purpose is to evolve our DNA and that evolving is a quest and a journey, are we going, hey, where are we going is what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Where are we going? Mm-hmm. Well, the human brain, when it gets working to the max, it perceives the soul and the whole spiritual idea. So it's not contradictory to the whole evolution thing.
Yeah.
They're in harmony with each other. So shut your face.
Shut your face.
What do you got now?
I said.
Hey, I got some funny things. Hey, I got a couple of funny things. Can I just say them before it's over?
Yeah, whatever.
I think what's that? Oh, this is kind of heavy. Do you think the more imagination and creativity your brain has, the more possibilities you have?
What?
Never mind about that. We'll talk about that some other time. I was thinking about Bob Ross.
Bob Ross.
Not so much about Bob Ross, but people that can really paint something, make it look exactly like it is.
Yeah.
And I started to feel, wow, that must feel pretty cool, almost powerful, to be able to do that.
Yeah.
I know my friend taught me to draw a milk bottle once, and I felt pretty cool, huh? Because it looked three-dimensional, you know.
Yeah.
Because all I knew was like stickman,
Yeah.
sailboats like that, you know. Or it wasn't big, no. We had a family band. No art. no visual art.
No.
Well, we were visual art in ourselves.
No, you didn't have art on your walls.
I
or
think
anything.
they should rename. Oh, never
But
mind that. I don't care about that.
This is an interesting thing. About your DNA.
Okay, go ahead.
No visual artists, really. Not visual artists like in your immediate family, but fashionable people.
That's because that's the only place we use the art.
Yeah. Stylish.
You wouldn't get away with it. What are you doing over there?
Yeah.
Painting a picture in there? Get out there. The cow's got the, go get that cow. I lost that.
Yeah, but you always talk about how you didn't have any art on the walls or anything, and you'd think that would be part of.
No,
like,
well, it's not in your life. So, no, but we were always,
Yeah.
I could explain it all. It was there.
Yeah.
You just had to, you have to look at it a different way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But listen to this. I think it looks real bad for the Red Prince.
Yeah.
You know who that is?
Yeah.
Harry, right?
Harry.
Well, a big part of his book was when Courtney Cox gave him the shrooms.
Oh yeah.
Psilocybin. Mushrooms.
Uh-huh.
I say shrooms because I heard somebody saying that. Well, Courtney Cox says, I never give Harry no shrooms. That's not good.
No.
Oh, he should have thought twice before he did what he did.
I
He's going to wake up
know.
one morning after a drunk man and go, what have I done?
Yeah.
After she kicks him out,
Yeah. It's not gonna end well.
If you want to get into all this psychology and crap we're talking about, we got the most advanced psychotherapy down at Griffin Hart at Patreon. Yep. Go on down there. We'll fix you up for sure, won't we? Jennifer Nettles. You know who Jennifer Nettles is?
Yeah.
We sing one of her songs.
Yeah.
She was in the backyard, say it was a little past 9.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Uh,
No, that's
sure-
Sarah Evans. Jennifer Nettles is a different one.
Oh,
She kind of looks like our clan.
I thought that was Sugarland song. That's not it.
No, that's
Oh.
Sarah Evans.
Whatever. Oh, I like Sarah Evans. Yeah,
Mhm.
I like them both. Well, Jennifer Nettles, but she was always kind of like out there, right? Jennifer Nettles.
Yeah.
She's in the remake of The Exorcist. They're remaking The Exorcist.
Wow.
I don't know what she's going to be. I don't think she's going to be the little one with the head turned around, but I think
No.
she's going to be the mother or something, probably.
Yeah.
Now, here's another hot one right off the press.
Uh-huh.
Chris Rock will finally comment on the slap.
What? I thought he'd already commented.
Who's the guy he slapped again?
Will Smith slap.
Will Smith, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Will Smith.
Yeah.
On the slap. He's finally going to comment on his Netflix comedy special in March.
Oh.
So you want to see how smart that is?
Yeah, that's pretty smart.
Is that going to pull in some people?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I bet you they did $40 million for that.
Yeah.
So have you got a song about all that crap?
Yes, I've got 2 pina coladas
Okay, that's good.
and a bee.
Let's all go take our CBD and relax. You can get your CBD down at Alice's restaurant, by the way. Not yet, not quite yet. Well, by the time you see this, maybe. Is that where it is? He's watching the news, isn't he?
Yeah.
But he was feeling the blues first, wasn't he?
Yep.
I was feeling the blues, watching the news. This fella came on TV. He said, I'm telling you, science has proved Heartache is healed by the sea. That got me going without even knowing. I packed right up and rode down. I'm on a roll and I swear to my soul, tonight I'm gonna paint this town. Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas, 1 for each hand. Setting sail on a Captain Morgan, I ain't never gonna leave dry land. Troubles, I forgot 'em, hell, I buried 'em in the sand. Bring me 2 pina coladas, say goodbye, you good time man.
Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas and say goodbye to your good time man.
Oh, now I gotta say that the wind and the waves, moon winking down at me, eases my mind by leaving behind heartache the love often brings. I got this smile and it goes on for miles with no inclination to roll. And I gotta say I think that I'm gonna stay, 'cause this is feeling more and more like home. Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas, 1 for each hand. Setting sail on a Captain Morgan, ain't never gonna leave dry land. Troubles, I forgot 'em, hell, I buried 'em in the sand. Bring me 2 pina coladas and say goodbye, you good time man. Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas and say goodbye, you good time man.
Say goodbye to your good time man.
That's about knocked my hat off with the thing. Last night I got it stuck in my nose. Tonight I just about... Yeah, so just remember that at the impetus of your motivation, you're trying to evolve. So if you cooperate with, that means creative growth and development, and.
Yeah.
But you're doing it all through survival and procreation, because that's what 8 billion of us are doing. But anyways, now you know the show is all about health. Because when you got your health, you got just about everything. So you be picking hillbillies, you all come back